My name is Virginia Jacobson. As long as I can remember, I've been agoraphobic. I think at least I've had panic attacks and issues with anxiety. At one point, I was housebound. I really could not get out of my house without huge anxiety attacks. I was referred by a friend who was going through this program, and he thought it would be ideal for me, that I would be a good candidate.
Virginia Jacobson first came to us. Her major issue was agoraphobia and anxiety and panic attacks that she's really been suffering with since 18 years of age. And they've gotten progressively worse as she's gotten older, to the point now where if she was driving somewhere and she got a panic attack, she would turn around and go right home. She rarely left the house. And actually, on the referral of a friend of theirs that was actually already getting good results with BrainCore, they came in to see us. Through BrainCore, she actually was she was able to leave the house. She was able to travel on her own. Her panic attacks had become much more less severe as well as less frequent. She took that trip and she had a great time. She had no problem on the plane at all. In fact, she's taken 3 flights since then with no issues. So she's really made some great progress with BrainCore.
I just feel more put together, more relaxed, perhaps a little more confident. I'm going on a trip on a seaborne cruise, and we fly to Stockholm a week from today actually, and spend 2 weeks on the ship with side excursions every day. I will tell you that it's probably the first trip of this magnitude. For me, this is a huge step that I've really been able to look forward to. I'm a great proponent of this program. It's done wonders for me. I highly recommend it to anyone who has anxiety issues or panic attacks.